Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of protein-rich foods. Whether you're an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or just someone looking to maintain a balanced diet, protein is essential for overall health and well-being. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why protein matters. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. They support cell structure, immune function, muscle repair, and more. Plus, they keep us feeling full and satisfied. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein. One large egg provides around 6.3 grams of protein. Plus, they're rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Almonds are not only delicious but also packed with protein. Just 1 ounce, about 28 grams, gives you 6 grams of protein. Lean chicken breast is a fantastic choice. Half a chicken breast, 86 grams, provides a whopping 26.7 grams of protein. Cottage cheese is low in fat and calories but high in protein. A cup, 226 grams, delivers 28 grams of protein. Greek yogurt is creamy and protein-packed. It's great for breakfast or as a snack. Spread your protein intake throughout the day. Combine plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa. Remember that variety is key. So, there you have it. Protein-rich foods are essential for a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're a vegetarian or a meat lover, there are plenty of options out there. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more nutrition tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.